Hello everybody, today I have a very exciting method for you that could give you a big payday, like a five-figure payday from $11,000 to even $40,000 in one day. And that is very possible with this method, and I will show you as soon as I introduce myself, which is I am Grace, also known as Little Mama, and I come from my blog workanywherenow.com. And so let's get started right now. So here I am, this is my blog, and guess what? The method I'm going to show today is that you can flip websites like mine very easily, okay? So this method is going to take a little time because what you're going to do is you're going to build a starter site basically, and if you could get an earning, you could actually sell it for a few times more than it is earning. So this is an incredible way for you to get a big, huge payday for yourself. But how do you build a site like mine? Well, it's actually not that hard when you have the right training to help you. And that training is actually here on Wealthy Affiliate. To get onto Wealthy Affiliate, and you do want to see my face on here, guys, okay? Why you want to see my face on here is because I'm going to give you free coaching as your premium coach when you go premium. So when you first sign on, this site is free. You see here, no risk, no credit card required. But guys, of course, a free account is not going to give you everything, right? The free account is awesome because you will get to test out the platform. You can check out the lessons to see if it works. You can see what features it has. It has a lot of features on the platform. It has a lot of tools that you need. It includes hosting that you need for your websites, and it's going to have amazing hosting for your websites as well when you go premium, because the hosting that they have is literally state-of-the-art and very comparable to plans that are like in the hundreds per month. Okay, so that's the type of hosting that they have in the back end. And how I know this is because I've met the owners twice now in Vegas, because I'm a super affiliate for these guys, and I have met them twice, and so I know that the tech behind this website is amazing, and they are very cutting edge when it comes to getting the best equipment to provide you with the premium services that they offer here, okay? So all you gotta do is have an email address to get started, then you're gonna get a message from me and so forth, and then you're gonna get inside. So here we are inside. This is my profile, Little Mama. You see I joined here in September 2016. I have become a super affiliate back in 2018 with this website. So the training works. So the training is found on the left side. Most people go through the online entrepreneur certification. So what you can do is literally follow this blueprint and build yourself an affiliate website. And it will take you about a year to get this blog kind of going and adding content to it and building it out. It does take time because you're just going to be doing this every single week kind of thing. So I'm just going to give you some examples. My friend here, Dale, who's also another super affiliate, he's saying you just got to post 2 posts a week and make 11K from selling this type of website. So what he wrote here was that he's saying like anyone that's already at Wealthy Affiliate can literally make one of these sites and sell it. And all you gotta do is do 2 posts a week, and you gotta pick, basically the training will teach you everything. It's gonna teach you how to pick a niche, what niche to go into, kind of figure out what that is, and then you can start by building your site. Like your free account actually gives you that first level for free, and you get a free website already with your free account. So that's really amazing. And so you kind of learn the process. Of course, it's not instant pay because you're building a business here, okay? You're building a website. It takes time for Google to rank you and so forth like that. So you got to learn kind of like all the mechanics of a website. So this is what the training is about. It gives you every single thing you need to kind of get yourself ranked on Google and get a site that's live on the internet for people to buy. So he's saying you only need 2 posts a week and getting $11,000 for it. And he's saying like this one here has been only earning about $200 a month. So it's actually not that much at all to be earning $200 a month from a site, but you can sell it already for $11,000. See, he's saying this site that is selling for $11,000 was only made last year with 78 posts, which is not that much at all. If you're doing 2 posts, this is not even 2 posts a week, guys. Okay, there's 52 weeks in a year, and so this is only 78 posts. Okay, so we're talking about once in a while you do 2 posts a week, but it's mostly once a week. Okay. And each post is around 1,200 words, which is not hard to do. And I could give you a special training that I have on the platform that easily gets you to 1,000 words fast, okay? So it's not hard. You have all the resources on this platform to do one of these sites. Okay, so it's about 300 this one is earning, and it's using the Amazon's affiliate program. So what Wealthy Affiliate teaches you is using affiliate marketing to monetize your site. And they also teach you how to use AdSense to monetize your site. So there's many different ways you can monetize a website. But for you to actually sell it, AdSense is a good one, and definitely affiliate marketing is a great one. So if you have a site earning, that's how you can earn bigger dollars, okay? This is actually on the low end that people are selling this at 11,000. Well, because this is not earning as much, but we have some members on a Wealthy Affiliate that has sold even bigger. So this one, my friend Dylan here sold his website for $30,000. Okay, actually my friend Dylan here actually sold 2. Okay, so the one before he sold 40,000, and then a year later he sold another one for 30,000. So within a year he sold 2 websites and got 70,000 from these websites, guys. And he learned it just like everybody here learned it from the training on the online entrepreneur certification to build a niche website and selling it. And then there's also sporkypie, who sold her first blog for 28,000 after only 13 months. Guys, it is not a lot of time or dedication. And this lady, she didn't even blog on her site every single week, okay? If you want to come on a Wealthy Affiliate and go through her blog posts here, you can see how her site was progressing down here, okay? She talks about her progress during the 13 months. And guess what? And then she sells it after 13 months for $28,000. Here's another example. Online Geek sold his first website for $38,479. This is no joke. This is on Empire Flippers, and that's his sold item right there, proof, okay? This is amazing, okay? Here's the short story. The site was created in 2014, and he sold it in, this is amazing for someone that has a website that's earning $1,000 a month, and then he gets a huge payout of $38,000. And then here's another super affiliate. This is Nathaniel, and he's been here for 9 years, and he's also sells website, and he has sold for 30 grand. And at the height of this website, he was saying that he was earning 12,000 monthly commissions on this website. So this is even just an old website he sold off, and so it's not even a new site. So people even buy old sites, and it doesn't really matter. He's saying, look, you get 24 times what the site is earning. So even though the site is only earning about $1,200 a month these days, when he was selling it, he got 24 times that to sell it for 30 grand. Okay, so this type of money is no joke, and it's well worth your time and effort to build one of these sites and only kind of create content once a week or twice a week, however you can, and start getting it making money. And once you get it making money, then you can sell it for a lot more money. Okay, so what other sites that you can sell it on? Well, one of them is Empire Flippers. at empireflippers.com, and another site a lot of people use is Flippa at flippa.com. And you know, everything is worldwide and anybody can do it. Wealthy Affiliate allows teenagers to be on here as well. So I'm not sure about Empire Flippers or Flippa, but you can always ask an adult to help you get on these sites and sell your website, okay? So this is a very big way for you to make some big money online and get a big payday from very minimal effort, meaning like you're just blogging once a week or twice a week, if that. So this is a great method for anybody who want to try it. You can also build your own website for yourself and earn a lot of money, like you were seeing. Nathaniel was saying at the height of his blog, it was earning 5 digits a month. So you can do that too on this website and learn at Wealthy Affiliate using my link, of course, workanywherenow.com/Team Little Mama. And I'm going to be your premium coach, remember, if you sign up with me. So I hope you follow my path, and I'll see you on the platform. So I hope you liked this video today. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. I come out with videos every single week, but I have no idea when they come out, so get notified, okay? So I hope I'll see you on the next one. Bye.